going to tell you all about how to do top-down raglan construction. This little micro sweater that I've created here is for a class that is going to specifically go through each of the techniques that I'll be using for a raglan top-down. And because it's so small, you get a chance to learn about different modifications and practice each of the techniques as you're working on it. So because it's top down, I'm actually starting on it here. So you've got your cast on stitches here for the back, top of the sleeve and the front. With this, because it's about experimenting, each of the increases is slightly different. You can see here, there's one type of increase. On the sleeves, you've got yarn overs in each side, and then you've got a different increase along the back here. In addition to this, the neck is being shaped as well as you go down, and you're creating a V-neck. By every fourth row you're doing an increase down here. So that's the first section of the raglan top down. It's the yoke down to the underarm area. Then you can see what you do is you take your sleeves off and put them on waste yarn here, and then originally the other side would have done that, but this side has been completed. Then you cast on stitches just across the underarm area, and you complete the body from this point down. If you're making a bigger one, and if it was for a woman, you can add in different kinds of shaping. You might have decreases for the waist and increases for the hips, or you might perhaps opt to do A-line, in which case beyond the bust you'll start doing increases. And once the body is finished, then you're going to come back. You take these stitches that were on waste yarn and you put them on a needle, pick up stitches from the underarm, then do decreases down on the underside of the sleeve and complete your sleeve. And the very final step in this particular cardigan is picking up stitches all the way around, working ribbing and some itty bitty little buttonholes here so that you can complete it. So this is just one of a series of classes that I'm going to get started with, using micro sweaters to work through all of the techniques in different types of sweater design.